Our first look at the guest room got us really excited because other than being dated, the furniture still looked very nice as you can see in this video. And the radio on the back of the bed actually worked. The lights worked. The wardrobe had some doors that were a little bit wonky and not really hanging on that well, but I thought maybe I could fix that. But although some time had passed and the wood just didn't hold up to what it needed to as we were moving furniture around, the quality of the wood just wouldn't hold up. Everything was just kind of falling apart. So we had no choice but to get rid of this furniture and actually start this room from scratch because we did have some guests coming to stay with us. And we did make our best attempts to save this. But in the end, I just wasn't able to salvage it like I wanted to. This morning I'm headed off to Ikea. I'm gonna pick up some furniture for that extra bedroom and for our guests. So it's a pretty nice day outside. Let's see how that goes. Put the window down. It's a really nice day. If you can see Magella, it's pretty clear. Pause here to see it. Pretty clear day out here today as we work our way to Ikea. So now I have the challenge of getting all this stuff in the car. The missus went a little crazy since we have visitors in town. We needed a new bed, mirror, and mattress, and we have what's a big car here, but not a big car in the US. So it's going to present some unique challenges. Not to mention that we stacked it in the order that we don't plan to put it in. Okay, so let's see. This is the mirror, so this we need to be careful with. Maybe you can watch cars driving by. I think I'll put this down flat. No chains for the tires. Keep getting in our way. Here, this mirror is going to be the challenge. So this mirror I'm a little worried about. back from Ikea. Everything fit in the car. We made some other stops to buy some other things. Some stuff, I'm not even sure what it was that we picked up, but we're gonna have to get that empty room cleared out. Pretty much is get it cleaned and try to build a little temporary room for our visitors. Let's go take a look. The mattress actually fit. We bought some new screens for the windows, pieces of the bed. We bought a bench for outside, so I'll have to build that later. I probably won't make it today on that. But this is a room we're going to be working in today. Pretty empty except for some clothes drying. Weather's pretty nice. I'll probably put a screen in the window right now just so bugs aren't flying in while I'm working. But we're going to straighten it up and show you how it looks when we're done. First, I think I'm going to go have a beer. It's an Ikea project, so you know I'm going to need one of these just to get started. This is a room, it's finished. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it took a lot to get that bed together. We've got two little side tables, places to hang some clothes in the mirror. You can stack some stuff here, dry your clothes there. Here's a hamper and a futon couch that folds out to a bed. It took a while. As you can see, it's already dark outside. We hope you enjoyed that little peek inside our guest room and how we got it together really fast. If you did, give us that thumbs up. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, leave them down below. We love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching.